Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, and I'm excited to be partnering with Holistic Health Haven again. Today we're diving into the refreshing world of mint leaves, a powerhouse herb that's been used for centuries to promote health and wellness. We're going to break down the science behind its benefits and give you practical ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. So, grab a glass of water, maybe infuse it with some mint, and let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about what makes mint so special. These leaves are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and phytonutrients like vitamins A, C, and B complex, as well as minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Even small amounts of mint can make a difference. Whether you're adding it to your food, brewing it into a tea, or using it in your skincare routine, you're giving your body a natural boost. We've all had those moments of indigestion, bloating, or just feeling off after a meal. Mint can be your new best friend when it comes to digestive health. It contains compounds that relax the muscles in your digestive tract, easing discomfort and promoting smooth digestion. Whether you're struggling with occasional indigestion or dealing with irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), a cup of mint tea after a meal can work wonders. It's a simple, natural way to soothe your stomach and get things moving along. Cold and flu season got you feeling stuffy? Put down the tissues and reach for the mint. Menthol, a natural decongestant found in mint, works by opening up those airways and clearing out mucus. Next time you're feeling under the weather, brew yourself a cup of mint tea. Not only will it help you breathe easier, but the warmth of the tea can also be super soothing and comforting. Mint isn't just amazing for your insides, it's also a secret weapon for your skin. Mint possesses anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can work wonders for a variety of skin concerns. Whether you're dealing with acne, redness, or just want to give your complexion a refresh, mint can help. You can find mint-infused skincare products or try adding a few drops of mint essential oil to your regular routine. In today's fast-paced world, who couldn't use a little stress relief? The refreshing aroma of mint has been shown to have calming effects on the brain, helping to reduce anxiety, improve focus, and promote relaxation. Try incorporating mint into your self-care routine by adding a few drops of mint essential oil to a diffuser or enjoying a cup of mint tea before bed. Now for the fun part, adding mint to your diet. The great thing about mint is its versatility. Toss fresh mint leaves into salads for a burst of freshness, blend it into smoothies for a refreshing twist, or muddle it with lime and berries for a delicious and healthy infused water. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different ways to incorporate mint into your meals. Here are a few quick tips on how to maximize the benefits of mint. Brew a strong cup of mint tea to ease indigestion or grind fresh mint leaves and apply them to your temples to ease a headache. Add mint oil to a diffuser to have a refreshing home fragrance. So there you have it. Mint leaves nature's little helper for a healthier and happier you. From boosting digestion and clearing sinuses to promoting radiant skin and reducing stress, mint is a true multitasker. Start incorporating mint into your life and experience the refreshing benefits for yourself. Stay tuned to Holistic Health Haven for more natural remedies and wellness tips. See you in the next video.